First time entering the new place. Yay! Oh, well done. We've moved house, kind of, sort of. We're in the, this is day one of moving house. As I've explained in another video, we've had problems with our previous place and we've had to move, but we found this really nice other apartment that is in the same town. I'm very echoey because there's literally nothing here. It's an unfurnished apartment, which I have never had before in my life. So we basically have to buy everything. It must be a less echoey part of the house. Let's try the bathroom, there's stuff in here. Yeah? No. We spent this morning, what did we do this morning? We went and signed our contracts this morning. Yes. So we officially are renting this place. We also then went to Homebase and got some paint because the rooms and the walls and stuff have white paint, but not our bedrooms.
Yeah, they're magnolia.
They're a beautiful magnolia.
Which is very common in old English houses.
Yeah, so we're going to paint those white as well. And then we also went to IKEA so that I could start picking up some furniture because I only have like a very small British car and it wasn't going to fit a lot of stuff, so I've started. Oh yeah. That's all I'm going to say. Vindkar, you're coming home with me. Oh. Getting my first piece of furniture, which is the Kallax white drawers. Shelves. Location 20.
Shelves.
Shelves, whatever. It's there.
You didn't grab a trolley.
Oh, bugger.
Lena, what are you doing exactly?
Well, it was over here, so I'm just going to see if it fits. It's not going to fit.
Just push.
I'm coming around the other way.
I think we're going to get kicked out.
I suspect this will only just fit.
Shut up.
Nicely done, mate.
Hey, at least it's in. Oh.
Okay, we think we have a system. Maybe.
Whoa.
I knew you'd feel a face coming out.
House tour.
House tour. So we're going to do an empty house vlog. Then we're going to do
Moving look.
the moving of everything in, unpacking, making furniture, making the place look nice, and then a final video which will be the finished product, which I imagine will take a while because we've got to slowly accumulate a few things. But yeah, let's get this started with the empty phones so that we can let visitors in.
Yes, then we have the kitchen, newly refurbished, and then we have this nice stove, everything's brand new.
Electric.
Very exciting. The one thing is we don't have a freezer.
Oh yes, so it was supposed to have this like fridge freezer, and it's just a fridge. Really nice. Look at this, I love the grey.
The walls are white here, so hopefully they'll be fine with us painting.
Yeah. We haven't got official approval yet, but we figure we can always paint it back. We've got a cupboard, storage, which we don't have in our current place. There's like no storage.
There is nothing. This is the living room, but this will be my bedroom.
This is a 2-bedroom apartment, and this is supposed to be the living room, but the second bedroom is tiny.
It's very small.
So what we've done is we've said that Aaron can have the biggest room, which is the living room, as his bedroom. And again, we split it up in the same way as we did before because we're in the same town as we were before, so he has the longer commute still. So we still find this the fairest way of splitting up who has the bigger bedroom. So he gets the living room as his room, and it's got a little Juliet balcony there. Let's go round.
Right, so if you go through here, obviously hallway, bathroom's this way. You've kind of already seen it, but
it's just a little bathroom.
A nicer look.
Not as nice as the one that we currently have, but
it'll do.
It'll be nice. I mean, it's not like we spend much time in there.
That's Elena's room, or going to be once it's done. It's very echoey right now.
So echoey.
Relatively similar in size, slightly less wide, but she gets to have this massive wardrobe, so.
I get an inbuilt wardrobe, so it's the one piece of furniture I don't have to buy.
And then this is supposedly the second bedroom. We're turning this into like a loungy area where we can do YouTube stuff, sit and chill and have dinner and stuff.
Yeah, so as you can see, this is much smaller, run from one side to the other. So yeah, it's really teeny tiny. And so because we have a separate kitchen, so a lot of these places, kind of like our place now, has a kitchen that's attached to the living room, therefore you can't really split it up. But because the kitchen is so separate and there's a door to the living room, we can use this as just a little studio and you can use the living room. So we think it's a brilliant solution so that we can have nice big spaces.
And I get the massive room.